Hello tubers, only a quick one on the roof, just to let you know how we're getting on. As you can see, it's got the measles. All these bits and pieces are all the little holes which are all porous, that keep on flicking on, stopper around the edges, lots of stopper, some proper filler work needed down here. I didn't think it was going to need nowhere this amount of work. Being white, it can half cover up a lot. We're going over onto silver, so it's as near as we can get it to the rest of the body. As you can see, a wee bit of work. About 2.5 days worth of sanding so far, and it goes on. Look at that. She's naughty. Gotta laugh about it all. It's only a little bit of labour. Get you ready in gear. Get it all square. Right, as I said, just a little tour of it. You can see how nasty it is before you see it all start squaring up. Not long now and she'll be in a spray booth ready for the drop of the painty stuff. Wish me luck. There's lots and lots of sanding to do. I think I'll have enough of sanding by the time I'm finished on this. See you a bit later.